Hello mathematicians, I hope by the end of this video you can say I can graph linear functions given a function in standard form using x and y intercepts. Let's look at an example here. Standard form is a function written in the form of ax plus by equals c, where a, b, and c are all constants. Okay, so let's look at a quick specific example here. So if we're given the function in standard form of 2x minus 3y equals 22, we can graph it in standard form by first finding our x and y intercepts. So if we were to try to find our x-intercept, we know that our x-intercept is when our y is equal to 0. So what we can do here, so if we were to plug 0 in for y, that would just get rid of this minus 3y, because 3 times 0 is 0, right? So we would get 2x equals 22. And well, this is easy to solve. We just divide by 2 and divide by 2. And we would end up with x is equal to 11. So that would mean that our x-intercept is equal to 11. So along our x-axis, we can move over 11. So we can go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So right there. And now to find our y-intercept, we know that our y-intercept is when x is equal to 0. So if we were to plug 0 in for x, we get 2 times 0, which is just 0. So that would give us negative 3y equals 22. And well, then we just divide by 3, or divide by negative 3 rather, divide by negative 3. And we'd get y is equal to negative 22 over 3. And we know that that is equal to negative 7 and 1/3. So our y-intercept is equal to negative 7 and 1/3. And it's okay to just kind of estimate this, being that it's 1/3. So we go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And let's just go 1/3, so it'd be something like that right there. So now that we have our x and our y-intercept, we know that the line of this graph is going to go between these 2 points. So it would look something like this. It'd go between these two, between our x and our y-intercept. And there you go. And again, it's going to be hard to be precise if it's negative 7 and 1/3, but I think close enough right there, okay? So that is it for our video. I hope after watching this and getting in a little bit of practice, you can say I can graph linear functions given a function in standard form using x and y intercepts.